30-minute workouts, 20-minute recipes, 10-minute mindfulness. Ready to become? Get Feel on the App Store or Google Play. I grew up eating Indian food often and I love the rich flavors that go into the dishes. Sadly, with a lot of takeaways, Indian food often get a bad rap for being high in calories and extremely unhealthy. Well, this is not entirely true. When you cook at home, you can control what goes into the dish and you can make them extremely healthy. So I'm going to share with you an Indian-inspired meal prep which is easy to follow, delicious and nutritious. For lunch, we're going to make chicken and fish tandoori skewers served with cucumber salad. As for dinner, we're making a pot of light vegetable curry to be served with rice. Let's start with lunch. Tandoori is such a popular Indian dish and it is healthy. What's there not to love about it? The meats are often cooked in a clay oven, but for this, we're going to use a regular oven. I'm going to use 400 grams of chicken breast and 400 grams of white fish. You can choose any other meats of your choice. As for vegan, you can substitute the meats for tofu or vegetables. For the marinade, you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of plain yogurt, 4 garlic cloves roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, cumin and turmeric, and half a teaspoon of white pepper, as well as 1 tablespoon of paprika, and salt to taste. Now let's start cooking. Cube the chicken breast into chunks and slice the fish. In a blender, add the garlic and ginger along with a splash of water and blend to make a thick, smooth paste. Now in a separate bowl, add the blended garlic and ginger paste along with the rest of the marinade ingredients. Oil, lemon juice, yogurt, and all the spices. Mix well. Marinate the chicken breast cubes and fish slices and leave them for 15 to 20 minutes for the meat to soak all the flavors in. Now let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, skewer the chicken with wooden skewers and place them on a baking tray. If you don't have the wooden skewers, you can just place the chicken and fish fillets onto the baking tray. That is absolutely fine as well. Now we want to bake them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the meats are golden. So I'm serving this dish with cucumber salad, or as it is called, cucumber salad. This is a fresh, crunchy salad that doesn't need any cooking and can be put together very quickly. It is a perfect side dish. What you'll need are half a cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and salt to taste. Chopped up all the vegetables and simply add all the ingredients into a bowl. Mix well. We want to chill the salad in the fridge until it is ready to be served. Lunch is ready. I love the light lemony taste and slightly spicy flavors of the chicken and fish tandoori, served with the refreshing cucumber salad. This dish is high in protein and gluten-free. Each serving of chicken and fish tandoori with cucumber salad has about 380 calories and 55 grams of protein. Now because the meats are cooked dry, they make a great meal prep dish, which you can bring it out with you and will last for a long time. If you want to, you can also serve this with roti or basmati rice. As for dinner, we're making chickpeas vegetable curry served with basmati rice. Curries can be complicated and time-consuming. We're going to keep it really simple and quick. This easy vegan one-pot dish is packed with flavors from a combination of spices with a smooth and creamy texture. What you'll need are 300 grams of carrot cut into cubes, 200 grams of spinach, fresh or frozen, 1 can of chickpeas rinsed and drained, 1 can of diced tomatoes, half a cup of light coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 6 garlic cloves minced, a thumb-sized piece of ginger minced, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Saute the onion and garlic with olive oil until tender and golden brown. just for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the ginger and all the spices and salt and pepper. Mix all the spices together before adding in the diced tomatoes, spinach, chickpeas, and carrots. Then stir in the coconut milk. Reduce the heat to low and cook everything together for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Don't forget to stir occasionally. So I'm going to serve this with a side of my favorite long grain basmati rice. You may also choose to serve it with roti, quinoa, or jasmine rice. So what I love about this recipe is that you can keep it versatile by simply changing up the vegetables, beans, or even add meat into the curry. You can even double the recipe and cook it for a large family. So each serving with 1 cup of basmati rice has about 476 calories. All these recipes will keep well in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you're planning to prep your meal for the entire week, then store them in the freezer and simply warm them up when you want to have your meals. So when you're in the mood for Indian food, instead of ordering a takeaway, make these recipes in your kitchen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video on with your friends, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more healthy recipes, workout videos, as well as nutritional tips. Let me know in the comments below what other meal prep or recipes do you want more of. All the best!